Binya better foundation they am crying and not to be a celebrity and also who was criminals and Nipano or Nimos and Kobo Chako. Nina say, Papa, what you have to go a man one, but I say, and she said, Nina is a Ghana, she say, yeah, and go be free a brochester or call a real Ghana so Kobo Chako one. That be and not and she say, oh, my baby, but what to me for and last time that many men and I said, Pabna. Omega the Mudia, just a good Omega the Mudia, when young for so be and look at bad, highness, and I'm some people to meet it. And want to know, on one say about what to move for no, let him inform so a hand. I told some Minia, a canon Madra, education from primary up to secondary school. On one free, no, and yes, and MPP was 20. A very free na NDC buy so society scan why the bear transantini because we know every day that say shebe bre wa o man and penifon to dwa about for back on first side say no so typical example health insurance first you can health insurance aid mapa and nay ubuso obi ko hospital so enkoba na highway empo ya ho obi man so etun ko hospital free abra ye musa ye health insurance na say bia card bia tell say o say o ko hospital. And then that's why what Ghana, that's why Ghana new hospital so a brewery they and cover health insurance. And it's only free health care. Say near, say hospital, say Hinabeko. And I'm so called I some hospital, any free and Emma Timon air hand, it new operation. Sika a bed in the Panminia, Scanut Mobile to talk and broso. So I say, and Nutinacoba say, O man, no, I'm not sure what that. Now, go hospital near a bedus scout over Bria, Minia, a bassat Mamufono. I want to so I say, and Nutina come in my and Minusia say, they not me expect to say, in Penufon or Munion Ibinu. Nepra Crano, they not me expect to be say, in Campanifono and Cassis is young, said Minia or my Ghana, said Penufose, I didn't back of food. Say, you're taught by Emma Party Bia, that's a party about power. A more impending which is ministers in a free a parliament. And nothing will be a timony, that's a Nippon white, no God or mine now. Yeah, many pony posts because the system of government can practice and favor anything for because it took about say, you are about NDC about power, MPP about power. Ministers no do one na you free parliament. I didn't know was a bassa. You what men football has said you or more. I been almost a bit now. Need the woman and Kamayan Pono in Cabebia, no man could have a gossa. But I'm said, will be an MP, yes, I'm a minister. Now, MP Nimpono, Najima was all as MP. Why are we now? Yes, I'm minister as I paid so. No one and dear was assisting the water. So I just say, no one in the rest in the award. Into we MP, the head minister, MP and Manumpono, who constituency for an air complaining, said, dear, what are the show? One year, and a head day, and now was I had minister as a count. And Nipabakuno, or do two posts, another two position, added that. Meaning, a Batman, Nibet Mayor, Amanabros, and it is as says, see a true minister. If you free a parliament and command Minia, and she because ministers for and a bay, she say, I don't want to move for a bay because agencies go minister on and then she says, education minister, and she shall pay a favor education, say health and culture side, and not to be an MP. Yes, I ministers have a pen, but MP no grumble, young, the oil constituency now, Minia put it say a Wayana, and why it is a constitution is because our constitution in 1992. Basically, now that was constitution. I was in the amendment. Nearly no matter it's just say I'm try to say because your country will have ammonia election. Typical example, go to buy any election. Of course, I did any election. And also, a minor quine and cost. I didn't any election quine. Where's the means are headed or mine before right. But just to say, why? Yes, I son, when you follow and come to Mula, yeah, but my gun, because Ghana first, and NDC, MPPS. Into the and see, I don't know what there's young pay from what's not your Ghana. When you ministers in few parliaments for another, why didn't you the winning few problem? Minia, Namekana, I didn't any back of food. So we minister every parliamentar. Nipano, Obo, or minister no as committee almost had down nipa na mu MP or some minister near some man committee as had done parliament wo nipa no oye nyuma mies ono kwa nipa no so personal worker oye because any idiot that say minister that's MPs ministers bo a no mo wan ye on private worker da enti nipa no wuji di say obetumi anya modern ana say e dey ni na so dey say enu ti no misusu say eno dey benufo no kwa dwindwum no mo hwe nie emdi say no so kan na eku o man Ghana eje efa ho dey acheye da bia NDC MPP mdi say since 92 a edi tumi say NDC na MPP say eka mputu bia ni wa aba oman no timamfo complain na complain itika eka no kwa say e beto about 4 years na ba for aba say bia agoni yedi what dey say nna ni ka see country bo a omo election but say country no ma bra exercise enti eka me no kwa madre dia sa 4 years mandate na ye de ma amampeni fo no say we di 4 years no we aba we di 4 years sa no ba bo on pa ni o man onwie so dey say because no Oko 4 years na esa 4 years no e be to abama no o be ni ministers sa o yi ministers yo so ya to abama no o de ko thank you to ke me ko na me tell say ya to abama o wi no o say o kwa ko da yase e mai ya to abama o say be no eno na o focus na wo ye enye na ase so dey ase ya to abama o say bla bla da yase ya to ma o say bla bla dey ba so dey ase na ye gba na Ghana timamfo omo ndom nti ede na ko ba se ya to aba 4 years nti ka me kwa madwino ne kwa madwino dia nka Ghana benufo mo ehwe sa de mu ye position na se no 4 years die emwaye nka me de ka me kwa de a nka yan form coalition government se NDC o MPP o se bi se kra ko kwa na enya se beto safra na yan to safra na yen seti e be 20 years developmental project so they say emo mo target so ye mo play years e do man e hye mo sa mo for man en ko bo sasa so ye re so man entum pon ana so they say because 2008 then premier no owo amsa Hong Kong e wa China mem oba Ghana oba ye no e na obusa then omampania no which is Atamas omampania that no yakobon fan currency obusa ni say Ghana population no so Ghana population there say ko ye onu e na ye omampani e o Ghana that time na ti bronya dwunu aso wo kan o se say onu a enka those time no say 10 regions in na wo Ghana nka obe combine all the regions no e dey about one region which is Greater Accra na or the other regions no aye farming say ye cocoa farming no say ye farm bi a dey for so be ba Ghana be export bi so dey say e dey for so be ba o man Ghana na Ghana will be the richest country in Africa bohun o man bronya bi so dey say obe combine ye nyina we see access at ye nim say China uko China is China Dubai last time I call so nim say na what dey say uko China and then access we 50 we 80 access so dey into nkobe obe organize ye nyina no why plans up toward my one region in never region other regions now can end 9 regions because that time na 10 regions now what the side regions no are full so they say what they are farming na Ghana will be the richest country in Africa because of fertile land what one bronya enu ti no medema sem AC eba we ye kra no se na make no NDC ni MPP ya swanso ya swansa you say nso munye nsa munye because yin nso so asane nsu a na hu di mode but me de e kan no gama de aso nsu ya so ansa e na wo frefia me no nya be de dances abusuafo ha e haye wo ye na e wo kwantum so on the so just say ke fia do a mo haye e do hwe ha mo haye e no hwe amanu hu no mo famu a je say o ma no mu haye di e no tin so we wa ni so ko fie ba so me ma obo anwa na ni bo mo ye e mo ho no e fa say di ndra bo anwo sika fa so just say but e for me do but e de na e ko ba say o ma tutu nyoma na say nyoma e ko yi a amafo e be ba fie mo na ye ba fie no so ni ye de sika ye project ama timamufo so enya bia ye enu tin ne krakra no mpanifo no omo making sure say die eye NDC MPP no nka omo form ekuo ana say omo organizing mpanifo na say mo makasa ntrase no mo hwe de be bo oman Ghana ene NDC ene MPP na NDC MPP no enfie nkose bi onko motirimu
maybe amenia okasa afi ni ho a and I look at me there China fool.
Yeah.
And I said China president Obama.
Yeah.
And I look at me there, yeah, forming one region.
Yeah.
Now,
region
that I come in another day, I know see, Kutum Posekendi, Uncle Bun. Now, offer, man, another day, I'm black, I'm an uncle, and someone, I say, and contemporary wedding, idea be a good. Yeah. Banaka, obeyed in Kakra.
Yeah. I'm Munchawan now, man or him Canada. What said when you call your Messi China President Ben Obama? When you want to call, will you read him? Now, what then is wouldn't know how I did, and then I want them. Or you know what they move for you, gets me. If you are what under them, I mean, I shot them pay football more there. If you want Obama, you are bear, you go bear one full access.
Yeah, the Americans say, I brought premier about Ghana. Yeah, no, so Ghana, your fertile land. So I didn't Brunei not in our council, so you're no pone or you may know Ghana, in case you say, obey and say, and go over organize in Nigeria, one regional. Naka. We develop regions. What I say, we develop one particular region now. A person move in now. We see upstairs. I think say, "Hey, your man, the best say, I'm best. I didn't know." So there's anyone done there. And he said, "We say, oh crap." And then they say that Papa is looking. I'm watching them. So they say, "And you think, get up 1 minute now." And that's how family now. Oh, yeah, dear, oh my God, yeah. Oh my, me know when you knew and never form say, oh, when you go for the booking of for, and go for to go for some my and you say, a phone never, you better be, you better export to be. The best answer, Ghana will be the richest country in Africa. So, Bonya, anybody just example, and there was it's about the dam, now what cut, now you're very good.
My Canada. Ghana yaji found no watch ye. Yeah. But on them there, me sense repeat myself me can first no. Yeah. On them there ablofuna ya pamo one. Sa ya na ma blood ya pamo one. Yeah. One ma eshapo ya ma be system so because me na all kasa na look be there e wa abofo banga and I need na ba system da ban be tua kawa from 8 years. But Ghana no esha South Africa we e wo bi a Pakono, Aban Bitchan Kaudama 18 years, I grant our budget. But Ghana, no, your system. So we didn't do one the system, do new way in is very poor, our Ghana, and as a West Africa. On your Ghana, West Africa, poor. And I have one of the Ablofina, what's in a happy ability. What system no on your Jumapa? What system you had a week away 4 years away 4 years. But Ghana no do the age of our crap no. About 15, but an age no 8 years, I want a best certificate to do. It's Esha, sa system I able to me that share, Sikasamini, Yamayama grant way, you know. Say, Kale Yalia, year time. And I say, yeah, 1 hour more to power over to Waba settle them program na do our Ghana. And say, me my Jim no, see to me a year them grants now, Miniano, or Bodono, our Ghana, and Kababu pa. And say, especially, 60 years in paying for no year BB and for year grants and some for grants because South Africa I want Asha grants or Busuna Yana Nama Wokita Opma New Ina de one from upper age 60 years local 60 years I will be my pension and I said on your 1 hour pension we go on your Jumada on your Jumada about 60 years Juma Uncle Benya there. Say ye Jumo and ye Jumo, a be a grant, and I want to ye Jumana, Yaminado, why are Benjamin the grants they won't count. Yeah, one they won't count, but one Yaminado, one of them went to one call, who's some uncle, 1 year Jumo, Benjamin. Say you know, need to sister, Yami Aduma, a 2 edge grant to me, Yabani to Chow Kawaka Mabra, a boom. Bagana, I wouldn't say no, Yan say you are, by Extra Ghana, Yana Nadi. And to my bold play, now show back, Emma over with Jim baby. I tell her any pair, not tell what I buy a bazaar. So into my show by ye part about how they do, or go out into my shan about anyway, only sister. I ban go so can crack up my bra, Yamiba to Saffron. Did the maiden as a president, and I said, and this so NPP will be over by the no, over to wine implementer and Kababwa or Mancana pa, or pension area no, and Kababwa Mancana pa.